Hello everyone, my name is Wyatt Devine and I'll be running us through a quick analysis of Peter Windsor's apology video. This video is in response to an incident where his YouTube channel was moving and accidentally sent a large amount of notifications to his subscribers. We'll begin his apology video and analyze his body language and diction.
Shortly after post-production of this week's Flying Lap, it became clear that there had been some major issues with our YouTube channel.
He begins by describing the issue and addressing it up front, not beating around the bush.
For these, I'd like to apologize. Some of you will have been loyal subscribers to my channel since we initiated it 5 years ago, and some of you will have subscribed more recently.
Next, he identifies both groups of audience members who watch his channel, making them both feel welcome and addressed in this video.
Either way, I want you to know that what occurred over the weekend was a one-off glitch commensurate with the growing pains of expansion. I'm delighted.
His eye contact is consistent and makes the apology feel much more genuine. His facial expressions also provide a window into how he's feeling during the apology. His smile and nodding motions signal that he may be embarrassed by this issue, but he is working towards fixing any relationships that may be strained by this issue.
Added that the channel is now part of motorsport.com, of course, and that we can provide lots of brilliant new online content in the short, medium and long term. To this end, and as a way of shaking hands with you all and looking ahead, I'm pleased to announce that for the next 12 months,
The slight chuckle and smile creates a warm, friendly atmosphere within the video, not one of confrontation or guilt.
our YouTube channel will feature not only the PW-type video previews and updates that I hope you know and love, but also edits from the shows we produce for Motorsport TV and the video platform on motorsport.com, including our animations, and we'll never upload more than one video per day. That's a promise. Thanks.
He begins to close out the video by promising to provide more exclusive content and to never upload more than one video a day. This addresses the main issue of this apology video in the first place, and makes the viewer feel reassured that the problem will not occur again.
Thanks again for your support and for watching, and apologies again for clogging up your inboxes. This was mine from last Wednesday. I can imagine how irritating it was, but now we're looking forward only with the intention of hugely enhancing your YouTube viewing experience.
He mentions his flooded inbox during the end of the video, which is a smart move. This shows that he feels the viewer's pain and annoyance with the issue that occurred. It makes his apology more genuine as he had experienced a similar problem. In conclusion, Mr. Windsor's apology was successful through good eye contact, subtle body language showing genuine care, and showing that he empathizes with the audience through the use of his email inbox. I'd like to thank you for watching.